Dumbbell Romanian deadlifts. Number one, these work fantastic for glute development and hamstrings if you have long legs like myself. So if you're a tall guy or tall girl, I highly suggest trying these out. Number two, when you do these, you're not trying to make it look like a barbell deadlift. The whole point of using dumbbells is you can have the weights right next to your side. It's more natural, improved biomechanics. This is how you hold them, in a more of a neutral position. Number three, you're going to need to do high reps, especially if you are a very strong puller. There's no point in doing low reps for dumbbells. I suggest sets in the 8 to 10, 8 to 12, and for myself, the 10 to 20 range. So higher reps, not low reps. Number four, you can see I'm not locking out. This works best for myself. It keeps constant tension on the glutes. Maybe it works well for you. Try both ways, see what works. Number five, if you are very strong at pulling, I highly suggest wearing straps. The point is being a glute exercise, not a grip exercise. Questions, comments, post below.